Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elizabeth and today I'm going to be showing you another luxury apartment tour in Accra, Ghana. Today we'll be exploring a 2-bedroom apartment in Cantonments. Just from opening the front door we get a modern and homely vibe. I'm loving the open plan concept as we get a great view of the living space as well as the kitchen, and everything is easily in reach. This apartment has sleek and clean designs. The brown and gold tones coupled with the green plants gives the living room a warm and homely vibe. My favourite area so far would be the kitchen. It's spacious and great for hosting. I love the grey and white colour scheme that has been used. It makes the kitchen look very clean. I also love the large windows. It creates a sense of openness, making the space feel bigger and more inviting. We've also got an integrated single fridge, which creates a cohesive and sophisticated look, whilst blending seamlessly with the overall kitchen design. As you can see, this apartment has a lot of storage, so this would be great for short and long-term stays. So now we head into our first ensuite bedroom. As I said earlier, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This room looks absolutely amazing. It was cozy, it was homely, and I'm loving the ceiling to floor windows. It lets a lot of light into the room. It's also got a TV in the room and a nice open wardrobe. So directly opposite our first room, we've got our second ensuite bedroom. I believe this is the second bedroom, so the first one would be the master, but this room is very spacious as well, and it's also got its own bathroom. Overall, I love this apartment. It comes with free Wi-Fi, 24-hour security, a standby generator. If you've lived or visited Ghana, you know how important that is. It's also situated very close to shops, pharmacies and restaurants, which will be very beneficial during your stay. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.